day before the storm. Had to call in my brother to help me figure it out. So we're here trying to fix it, figure it out. We don't have all the tools trying to get the job done, but we shall see. We are here at JM Lawn Care. Got a breakdown right before the season started. Had it hooked up everything, got everything going, driving down the street. Started misfiring. Had to bring it back to the shop. Had to get my brother over here to help trying to figure out the problem, diagnose the problem, put it on the machine, saying that it was the misfire, needed to tune up, and then the plow don't want to go down. So problems after problems. Wish me well. We are here. This is the first day of the season, and this is what we having before the season even started. As of right now, got the plow working, and so right now I'm letting it run.
Sound like he's running.
Gonna let it heat up and warm up so we can figure it out. Got the plow working. Get the light on. Plow controller is working. Did check all the fuses, switches, and everything else. So I'll let you know here shortly what we come up with. But right now it's running. And we got our back running. To God be the glory. Listen, it's good to have family that know what they're doing. My brother works on diesel trucks and gas. So he was able to come and diagnose the problem. And listen, we are up and running for this season. So pray that everyone have a blessed and safe 2024. Be encouraged. Yes, this is the backside of the lawn care snow removal that you are going to have ups and downs, but you got to keep on enduring, keep on going, and know that all things work out for the good of them who love the Lord and are called. So do whatever your calling is and watch God continue to bless you. Watch God continue to let you grow, and all you got to do is continue to doing your part, and God will do the rest. Until next time, God bless you. This is JM Lawn Care. See you next time.